Welcome to another edition of our learning series. Today we're going to be talking about protection and insurance. No, bakit importante ito? Because I've been talking about this in our Miranda University sa ating mga playlists. Actually, this is a slide way back number 3. No? So ito yung pangatlong linggo where I talk about the financial planning aspect of our Miranda Minor playlist, no, sa university playlist natin. So the third week, I discussed this deck and basically sinasabi ko dito the financial planning pyramid. Okay? Before we move on, I'd just like to quickly discuss with you, by definition, life insurance, no, is basically you buying an insurance for a death benefit. Alam mo ba na ang life insurance ngayon, pwede ka na rin magkaroon ng living benefit aside from the death benefit. No? So, yan. So, as per this particular material that we got online, credits to the source, ang VUL or variable unit link has living benefits and death benefits, no? So if and when you don't get the death benefit, wag naman po sana, you're able to get the living benefit, no? So of course, if you don't if you're able to finish the payment period, which I will show to you later, natapos ni Coach Miranda Minor ang kanyang 5-year maturity ng kanyang payment. Malaki po ang ating nakuha dyan, no? After 5 years, because we've been paying 16,000 per month. So, you could actually use the fund for retirement, educational plan, business, etc., etc. And then, of course, meron din siyang hospitalization benefit tulad ng isang package ng isang kumpanya na in-offer din sa atin ng kanilang InsureVest. So, meron silang tinatawag na insurance investment basket kung saan if you invest 3,000 pesos in 12 months, aside from you getting back the money, you can actually get hospitalization benefit, critical illness, etc., etc., benefit. No, unlike if you just invest 36,000 in the bank, na maliit na yung interest, and then you will need to obviously sell your properties just to be able to cure yourself on a critical illness. No, and of course, ang ginagawa ng nila sa investment mo, because you're actually paying on a regular period of time. Imagine, meron dalawang methods of payment, no? Isang lump sum payment, isang dollar cost averaging. So when you do your lump sum payment, let's say $200,000 in a lump sum fee, let's say the price is $85 per share, then you're only able to buy 2,353 shares of that particular asset, no? But if you do DCA, let's say you spread out into eight different weeks, you're actually buying different share price, and the total net shares that are bought is actually 2,437 than 2,353. Because you're able to buy into the high price and into the low price. Actually, in week number 6, the price is 78, no? So, I will explain to you, ganyan din yung ginawa ng PRULIFE sa aking investments, kung saan during the pandemic, bumaba yung price value into 2.6 coming from 4.2, and we're able to buy more units during that time. Now, alright, so more to come. I'll see you on my next part of this video, okay? Or bilang isang trader, alam mo ba, it's important to make sure as well na you are very much protected. You are very much protected, and you are actually trading your money na sobra. No? If you will notice in this particular pyramid, yung futures, contracts, and collectibles are actually on the peak or apex of the pyramid. Kasi before you even go in the pyramid, dapat yung ilalim buo na. No, you already have your emergency fund, you have your good credit record, you have your SMART goals, you have your insurance, you have your everything, you have life insurance and medical disability insurance, because even if you are trading futures, kung wala kang insurance, delikado, no? Make sure that you're always protected, because you need to make sure that from a financial perspective, whatever happens, your family is safe and secured, no? So because of this, no, because sabi ko nga sa inyo, I've been trading since late of 2015, sinabayan ko na rin yan ng insurance, no? I have an insurance way back 2015, and I'm very happy because in this particular video, I will show to you guys ano na ang na-receive ko after 5 years ng aking insurance. No? So, but before we go there, I want to make sure that you understand that trading is a speculative play. It's a very high risk, no? Before ka futures, contracts, and collectibles, make sure that you are actually insured and you have a protection for your self, no? All right. So, basically, ang kinuha ni Coach, is, I'm not actually promoting this brand, but obviously, I like the plan that they've offered to me. Actually took a 5-year elite plan. No, it's actually worth 16,600 plus every month, or 200,000 pesos per year, good for 5 years. And I started my policies way back 2015, 2016. No, so obviously ang kagandahan nito, malaki yung investment part, tapos of course insured din ako if in case something happens, and I can actually use the funds after 5 years, no? So obviously ginamit natin yan. We took the 5-year, no? We took the 5-year plan. There's an option for them to do the 7, 10, or 15 years. No, if you have any questions with this, I will put in the description box yung name ng aking financial advisor. You could just talk to him if you want to. But basically, kahit coach and mentor ako, I also have an advisor that advises me on my financial planning. No? All right. So, yan, after 5 years, yan. I'm very, very proud that as of April of this year, one of my policies, nakalagay rito, we're pleased to inform you that you have completed the 5-year premium paying period of your PRULIFE Elite Protector 5 policy. No? So, this particular policy is actually paid every month. No, I'm paying 16,600 pesos per month since 2016. Yan. So actually ito yung ating list of policies, no. So I actually took a policy as late as 2015, early 2015, as of September 27, and I have a 10-year planning. I have a 10-year plan, no. I'm still in paying this. Tapos itong 5-year plan ko na fully paid na nung April 21, 2016. This is for 5 years. Itong PRULIFE Elite Protector, I have another one which will finish this November 29. I have another one on still also in force, and I have an accident insurance also in force, no? So basically, very, very effective siya, at least in my perspective, no? Kasi ang ginagawa so far, ito yung presentation na binigay sa akin before. This is just one of the copies, not the exact presentation, but mukha ng PRULIFE Elite Protector 5, it could give you a total projected benefits na nakakita mo sa right, no? So after 5 years, ito na yung na-receive ni Coach, although not exactly as that, kasi alam niyo naman nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, 'di ba? So bali kinuha kong fund is an 80% equity, 20% fund. I have a 1 million peso rider value. I have a life care benefit and a total permanent disability benefit in case something happens to me. It's worth 1 million. I'm actually paying it for 5 years and a lump sum of 200,000 per year na babayaran if in case you want an annual. And then 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020 nagkaroon ng pandemic. Yung unit value niya, naalala ko noon, the unit value went down as low as 2.6, no? From 4.2 for a growth fund, no? So parang nag-DCA siya, nagkaroon ng dollar cost averaging. Nung bumaba sa 2.6, siguro almost 6 months yan, continuous bumibili yung insurance ko ng units, no? So because nakabili ako ng maraming units sa 2.6, na-offset niya yung fund value depreciation from 4.2. Currently, ang fund value nito is 3.5 per unit value by 2021. And if it goes to 3.6, 3.7 hanggang 4.2, same number of units, mas lumalaki ulit. No, lumalaki ulit. So, it's an option for me not to withdraw everything if I would want to stay it there. Nakalagay naman dun sa letter, sabi dito, you have the privilege of making regular investments through top-ups. I can still do top-ups, no? And then, pwede ko rin daw iiwan sa kanila, no? Yun, pero meron paling monthly insurance charges. And then meron ding, of course, may unit cancellation if I want still to continue the policy to be in force. Pwede ko pa rin iwan sa kanila. At least I'm still insured, although they're just deducting insurance charges. So, ayan. So, isa na to. This one fully paid na. And I have one upcoming this November, mafu-fully paid na rin ulit to. And I'm very, very happy kasi based on my computation, I'm actually able to receive, kahit nag-pandemic, I'm able to receive everything na ininvest ko, bumalik sa akin. No, although hindi much na nag-interest, it's also good. Ang kagandahan niya, ang kagandahan sa ginawa ng PRULIFE is they were able to promise protection for me within the next 5 years. Para ka nag-invest sa bangko, but you have extra protection if in case something happens to you. And of course, they were able to give me something extra. Meron silang interest merong interest akong na-receive from my deposits versus iniwan mo sa bangko yan, no? Natalo ka pa sa depreciation, no? So I think that's a good one. Of course, may mga risk pa din yan, pero I think overall I'm very, very happy and I'm very proud of being able to complete a 5-year policy plan. And I'm very happy to receive this letter from them. Actually, kaka-receive ko lang nito, although alam kong tapos na kasi nga siguro nagkaroon ng pandemic and late yung mga letters nila. Pero I'm very happy with this. Thank you sa brand na ito for fulfilling your promise and being able to continue to protect me. And of course, alam nyo naman, I have actually 4 more insurance from you guys. And thank you again sa tulong na, sa promising you to protect me if in case something happens. And as I've said, no, ginawa niya yung DCA, no? Kasi when the value went down to 2.6 per unit, the insurance kept on buying, no? And of course, the price right now is 3.5. If you think about it, if it keeps on buying in 6 months, no, it keeps on buying 2.6. Now that the price is 3.5, so nagkaroon ng more units na nabibili because the price is lower, no? So I will encourage you as a trader to make sure that hindi ka lang nagtitrade, you're not just trading direct futures and contracts, you are also financially protected and you actually are your foundation of financial planning is very, very strong. Hindi ka lang agad papasok sa mga stocks or bonds or mutual funds, but you also have insurance. No, you have life insurance, you have HMOs, which is very, very important yan in this type of economy, this type of the world. And by the way, kagandahan yan, marireceive mo pa din yung money back after that many years. No? Alright, so I hope natuto ka today. I hope that I inspired you to continue to save, and I hope that I'm able to inspire you to ensure that financial planning is a very important piece of our trader's life. Hindi tayo puro trade, no? There's also a part of us that we need to make sure our financial planning is sound and secure. All right, with that said, good luck and thank you very much for listening to our video today.